Hey, good morning, guys. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I'm going to show you today a 2014 Pete 389 glider kit day cab. It's got a 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed. It's got about 575 total on the truck, 300,000 on a long block. I've gotten it hot this morning. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, oil pressure, blow by, and just a general description of all of it. Let's get going. You're right at operating temperature there. You're at 40 on the low side, which is really high, really good for a Detroit. Normally see it down in the 20s. As it gets closer to 195, it'll get down in the 30s, probably a little bit on the low side, but super smooth running through. So does have the platinum interior as well. Southern truck, so there's no rust on it anywhere. Good steer tires, good drop tires. Does have the typical, that's not awful, but it's got a little bit of a oil seepage there. It's not anything that's going to run completely down and make a mess or a puddle, but set front corner, if you know anything about Detroits, it's gonna seep or leak right there a little bit. Wind's blowing pretty hard, but gives you an idea what the blow by looks like. Body and paint's in really good shape. This has the frame rails. Southern truck, so that's going to be clean as well. One little scrape right there. It's really the only thing cosmetically to speak of. Appreciate you watching it. If you need anything, you can call me 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks.